Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you tips or tricks to save data when you're using your laptop or PC. So first things first is you have to connect your laptop to an internet connection. So once you've done that, you can just click on the internet connection, then you click on properties, then it takes you to the settings of your laptop, which you can enable data saver so your laptop doesn't drain all of your data. So yes, as you can see, mine has been set to metered connection, and as it has been set to metered connection, it says if you have a limited data plan and want more control over data usage, make this connection a metered connection. That means once it is on, you can limit the amount of data your laptop uses. You can also set a data limit on your PC. Then it says data usage. You can add a limit. As you can see, I myself have already added a limit. So you can add a limit to be it limit type, monthly, 1 month, or unlimited. The day until the data expires, a day. Data limits 1 to 1 gig. So and then you can save it, and that's all for this video. Thank you. See you. Leave a like, subscribe. Peace out.